What is keratoprosthesis? Imagine a patient has underwent an eye transplantation. They have placed a lens from a different person. So keratophakia has already been done, but still the eye does not function. In such cases, they go for a prosthetic or a replacement device called as keratoprosthesis. Again, in order to maintain the curvature of the cornea, they might do some incisions on the radial or in the peripheral most part of the cornea called as radial keratotomy, because that basically means incision on the cornea. So while coding this eye chapter, what is needed is that you need to understand the basic terminologies that are associated with the eye and the ocular chapter, because most of these terminologies coders are not aware of. So if you can understand these terminologies, you can very well understand the surgeries that are being performed. So pretty simple, know the medical terms of all these terminologies, the understanding of all the terminologies, so that you can very well grasp what the procedure is being done here.